Today we will discuss the next problem of exercise 7 point. This is based on profit and loss. So first you have to know about the profit and loss. Suppose you buy an article for 80 rupees. This is called cost price of the article. This is denoted by CP. And you sell the article for 90 rupees. And this is called selling price of the article, and this is generated by SP. So there is a profit happen and loss happen. So obviously profit happen because selling price is greater than the cost price. If selling price is greater than the cost price, that time profit happen, and if cost price is less than selling price, that time there is a loss happen. Clear? So this time there is a profit happen. Now, so how much profit happen? So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That means 90 minus 80. There is a 10 rupees profit happen. So how to find out the profit percentage? Whenever you find out anything about 100, this is called percentage. Here, whenever the cost price is 80 rupee, we get profit 10 rupees. Go to the entering method. Whenever the cost price is 1 rupees, that time profit is 10 by 80 rupees. Whenever the cost price is 80 rupees, that time the profit is how much? This one, this much rupees. So this is called the profit percentage. So profit percentage be here 25 by 2%. That means whenever we measure anything about the 100, this is called the percentage. Clear? So what is the relation between selling price, profit percentage and cost price? Look, here you buy the article for 80 rupees and sell the article for how much rupees? 90 rupees. That means when the buying price is 80 rupees, that time selling price is 90 rupees. Whenever the buying price is 80 rupees, the selling price is 90 by 80 rupees. And whenever the selling price is, suppose buying price is 100 rupees, that time the selling price is 100 by this much rupees. That way you can go the you can use the entering method also. But here you have to remember one formula. What is the relation between selling price, cost price and profit percentage? Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100. Here this is the relation between cost price, selling price and profit percentage. Whenever loss happens, that time you have to use this formula. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100. This is the relation between selling price, cost price and loss percentage. Now go to our first problem, question number 9. So question number 9 is given, I buy a TV for this much rupees and sell it for the profit 20%. So how much money do I get for it? That means you have to find out the selling price. So which formula you have to use? This formula you have to use. So here selling price is you have to find. So selling price is equal to CP, cost price, into 100 profit percentage divided by 100. So cost price is given here 10,000 rupees into 100, this 100 plus profit is 20% profit divided by 100. If you calculate it, you will get this answer here. Now go to our next problem. next problem is given. A shopkeeper sells in an article for this much rupees, thus suffering loss for 20%. Find the cost price of the article. And these things is given here. First we are writing the formulas. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100. And whenever loss happen, selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100. Clear? So here is a loss happen, suffering loss. So you have to use which formula? This formula. First we have to write which things are given. Here is given, say shopkeeper sell a article, that means selling price is given. So ASP is equal to 320 rupees, and loss percentage is given. So loss percentage is given 20%. Here is given ASP is given, and this loss percentage is given. So you have to find out which one. You have to find out the cost price. So just put the values in this formula, you will get the answer. Now go to next one. So next one, question number 13 is given. So now 13 is given. A trader sold some damaged garments for this much rupees. That means this is selling price is sold. And loss 8%. Here loss percentage also given. You have to find out the cost price. You have to use the previous formula. This one, selling price is given. So just put here selling price, and you have to find out the cost price, and 1 minus and 100 minus loss percentage. Loss percentage just put this value. If you write the formula, how this formula comes from this formula, look. So if you multiply 100 into SP, you will get SP into 100 is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage. You have to find out the loss percentage. You have to find out the cost price. So cost price is equal to SP into 100, and this will go to where? In the denominator portion. So 100 minus loss percentage. Just put the values, selling price and loss percentage, you will get the answer. Now go to next one. Next problem is given. By selling an article for this much rupees, here also given selling price. Selling price is given, and Tony incurs a loss of 99%. That means there is given loss percentage is given 9% plus, and what percent would he gain or loss by selling this much rupees. So if he sell this item, that same item for this much rupees, how much percent he will get loss or profit? You have to find out that. Here these things are given firstly. First time he sell for this much rupees the item, that time he lost 9%. From this condition, we have to find out the cost price of the article. By using that cost price, we have to find out the profit percent or loss percent in the second case. Clear? So firstly find out the cost price. We have to use this formula. Yeah, selling price is given. Selling price is 4,550. loss percentage is also given 9%. Just use this formula, you will get the cost price of the article. Now second time he sell the article for 4,825 rupees. So this time how much he will get profit or loss, you have to find. So this one is the selling percent, selling price, and this one is the cost price. So there is a loss happen or profit happen. There is a loss happen because cost price is greater than the selling price. Whenever cost price is greater than the selling price happen, that time loss happen. So how much loss happen? 175 rupees. So you have to use which formula? You have to use profit and loss percentage formula, this formula here. So loss percentage formula is, if you write the formula from here, what you will get? You will get loss percentage is equal to loss into 100 divided by cost price. Here loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. So if you can put the values, you will get the